In this video, we're going to look at the pressure factor, which is a new added feature. As you can see here, we've played the Masters. We're up through round 3, and Paul Gordas is leading. Now, the pressure factor allows you to select up to players that are up to 10 shots behind, which in this case would be a pretty good amount of the field, but you can make it as little as 1 shot behind if you want to. And then in combination with a pressure factor. Higher the more pressure there is, the lower the more pressure there is. And this is used in combination with the player's world golf ranking and where they are within the standings in an algorithm to determine how much pressure they will feel and how they handle it on the last round of the tournament. So let's go to the tour screen and show you the slight change here. You start to play the round, and this comes up in only the last round of a stroke play tournament. So you'll have final round pressure factor. 0 means there is no pressure. It's going to happen just like with no setting at all, no pressure at all. But it could go from 0 up to 10. So let's say this is the most pressure. And then, like I said, you can go for players up to anywhere from 1 to 10 strokes back. Okay. So let's go back real quick and just take a look at the leaderboard again. And let's say we want to take maybe players within 4 strokes. That gives about the top 10 positions. So we're going to say a pressure factor of 10 for up to 4 strokes behind. So let's come back here. And we're going to say final round pressure, the maximum of 10. And we're going to say 4 strokes back. And we're going to play the round. And everything else behind the scenes is the same. So you really can't see what's happening. It's just within the algorithm of the scoring is what makes a difference. And it came out the same right here. It's possible that the player may or may not actually get affected by the pressure. There's a random factor in there that also goes into it, but that's just the only change with the pressure factor. It may add a few 3 strokes to the player's score in the worst case scenario. So it really doesn't affect their score a lot, but it's a new feature that you can use if you want to.